Hey everybody, this is Calvin Waite. I trade crypto for a living. I'm not a registered or licensed financial advisor, planner, or broker, so nothing on this channel should be taken as a recommendation to buy or sell. I also trade all of these things, so I probably have a vested interest in there. But there's plenty of entertainment value and lots of education, so this will be awesome. For those of you who didn't know, my subscription channel is live. So look at the link in the description over at cryptoinfluencers.com and you can see how I make all of my trades and what I do and what I think about everything. This channel is for more hypothetical and looking at trends, and the other one is for actual trading. So you might be interested in that.
Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday. Figured I'd do my video a little earlier before my house gets really loud. And that's gonna happen very soon. So we are looking at Bitcoin and our day. We are just, no major change. We're a little bit low. We're below 20,000 so far today. The bottom of our most recent candles is at 19,550. If we get a close below 19,550, we could be in for a little bit of adrenaline. Things could break down pretty quickly, and that will impact the entire market for sure. But that's not as low as we've seen. Our lowest candle body so far is around, about 19,000, just a hair under. So for a candle body, we have a little bit of room, but still these are just not fun levels to be at. So there's a thing called Wyckoff accumulation and distribution. And this is sort of a game that whales play. They'll push markets around to kind of fake people out and stop people out and different things. The longer people are looking at these levels here, this Wyckoff thing says that we might get a head fake down here before we turn back around. And so I've been speculating that just because of the monthly chart, that we'll probably go back down to like 17,000 or something. So we could get a little bit of a quick move and then pull back up. Anything where we've opened here and then we move down a little bit and then we can close September back close to these bodies would be absolutely perfect. So it doesn't have to go down a ton, but the more it does go down, the better. Like if it goes down and gives us a lot of support, then we'll know for sure that the bottom is in and we can relax and do our sideways consolidation and start climbing. So we're almost there. But yeah, September, it's just going to be one of those months where we're just going to have to kind of hunker down and handle it. So yesterday I was feeling kind of optimistic. Everything was green. And we were kind of wondering whether this head and shoulders was invalidated. And I mentioned this on the Pro channel. I just couldn't believe that right after my video went out, the market completely turned around and we got one of the most bearish candles ever. Look at this candle. So what happened is we have a body that closed close to the open, and we have a long tail, or long top. And so this is the type of candle you see at the top of a trend. So we've moved up for 5 or 6 days, and then we had a really long candle. It's not quite a doji, but it's close, and it's certainly bearish. And what happened is we ended up rejecting off of the 50 for the third time, but not only did we reject off the 50, but we rejected off the 20. And so this combination means that our head and shoulders is absolutely in play still. We're still in the head and shoulders, and our target is the 200-week moving average. It can be invalidated at any time. It can turn right around, but we are As far as the short trade, it's still intact. Everything is on track. So we are waiting patiently. It's a big lesson, though, to not get scared out of your position and make sure that you let candles close. That was kind of the point that I made yesterday on the Pro channel, was that if you get emotional and change your rules and whatever, then you're just opening yourself up for frustration. You have to stick to the rules. And even if we had gone up and even gotten worse and then we finally closed, that's just part of trading. You just have to roll with the punches. But at least you have to stick to your principles, or else you're just guessing and you'll just get blown around. And the more you're trading on emotion, the smaller your portfolio is going to get very fast. You just have to stick to your guns. So if you've got a system that's working, stick to it. Okay, so yeah, Ethereum's right there. I think Bitcoin may or may not make a new low. We could have a nice spike down, but I just feel like Ethereum's gonna bottom at the 200 week. If we get support off this 200 week, it'll change everything. Like, it would be so bullish because we'd have consolidation at a lower point. We'd have our first attempt and then a higher consolidation, or even a bounce, and it would look really nice, especially at the bottom of a long trend like this. I can just see us doing this, getting up a little higher, and then we'll start this wedge pattern here, and by December we'll be ready to rock and roll. We'll set ourselves up for a great 2023. So those are my thoughts on Bitcoin and Ethereum this morning. We've got a lot of coins in the red zone, so this is expanding a little bit, and that'll happen naturally as coins sit in the yellow zone forever. The only trades that you guys have seen is the Unify. We're short here, and it's still just going sideways, so who knows if it'll pan out or not. But we're hanging on. We'll see how it plays. We have a couple of bouncers. I noticed that it was, Filecoin is jumping 10% today. But yeah, so we won't be doing much with this until we crack above the 50. That'll be pretty good resistance. But if we can get above there, hopefully our trend can change. So some of these, you see them have a good day, but you just kind of let them go. You gotta be patient and stick to the trading rules. But yeah, so we had a couple. We've been watching publicly. We've been watching the Ethereum Classic, and we're waiting to see if we can get a close above here and see if we can get a breakout of this bull flag. We're way too high to enter the trade, but it'd be really nice to see this even higher so that we can actually find a short position. But it's just not on the table yet. Chili's has been flying. It's been having a pretty good thing, and we're watching this the golden cross coming up soon. And Luna, we're just in this kind of consolidating wedge here. So it's not guaranteed, but we sure did find the top. This was pretty good timing to find where we were going to have a serious consolidation. Whether we consolidate and break up or break down remains to be seen, but I'm feeling a lot safer to be short at the top of such a giant run than long. Let me just zoom in on the hourly. So this was the line I drew on the 5-minute chart, and who knows, we may be going here. On the 4-hour chart, I noticed that's what gave us support. I thought we were going to be breaking down soon, and we bounced off the 20. 20 can be a powerful trend line. There's a lot of people that trade off of that. So we'll see. If we hit this 20 again in the next 4-hour period, in a couple, and this starts to roll over, then we'll know. But we're just kind of playing it by ear, and we'll see how it goes. And those in the Pro channel, you know where the backup plan is and everything. So pretty awesome. We're just letting the chart do its thing. It can go up or down, and we'll just be patient and wait for the right outcome. Apart from that, I think we're good. I hope everybody enjoys their Saturday and get some yard work done and all that good stuff. But yeah, this is good. We'll see how things go on Monday. I don't do any trading Sunday, so we won't have any videos tomorrow. But I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Talk to you later.
Thanks for making it to the end of my video. Make sure you keep those trades small. Don't force a trade. Don't get impatient. And if you want to see how all this works, please come over and check me out on the subscription channel at cryptoinfluencers.com. Again, the link is in the description.